Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hey cutie, today's video is going to be a bunch of random DIYs that I never uploaded. First off is this black top that I felt looked really awkward on me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from here to here to get the little cuffling, because I really don't want to do it from extra fabric. It's easier this way. All you just have to do is put a seam line, and that's it. And that's exactly what I did. I cut it and then we just did a little seam allowance thing, and I did not model it, so here's some pictures. So I had this flannel and I decided to put Hobi World on it, and the project was going great, but then I noticed that all my videos were in slow-mo, so it was a fail. So obviously I put Hope World and I did it in a dripping kind of font, and all I did, I referenced his album, and then I just added a smiley face, a flower, and a rainbow, and they were all melting except the rainbow. On this project I used fabric paint, and let me tell you, I struggled because my palette color was really limited, and then the colors were really transparent. So here is the evidence where it shows that I'm going really slow, but I actually really speeded it up and it still looks like I'm going really slow. Here I'm just adding some shadows, and then I'm just adding the rainbow, and that's all I did for my little Hope World flannel. Here I'm just doing a DIY stain where I'm just using acrylic paint and water, and then I just mix it till I get a watery consistency, and then I just grab the towel and I just rubbed it all over the wood. Then with a Sharpie, I just added the quote that says, "Your only limit is your mind." So essentially I'm using this wood to put it under my mirror because I wanted to look a little bit more taller. Then my dad was throwing this wood piece away, but I kept it and did the exact same thing and just added a little "Hello Gorgeous" quote on it. Then all I did was add a little wreath around it, and this is how it turned out. I also saw a sign on Amazon that I really liked, so I decided to recreate it on a Dollar Tree whiteout, and this is how it turned out, and I'm going to show you what it did. So first I wrote it with a whiteout marker, and then I just traced it with a Sharpie, and then I started doing the name. So all I did was just colored it and then I taped it on there. I named my hamster Fruitloops, so I decided to add little Fruitloops around, and all I did was grab Play-Doh and do the little snake and do a little O, and I just grabbed a pencil and did the little texture like so. Then I'm just painting my Fruit Loops. And then I just glued them, and that's how I got my little Dollar Tree hamster sign. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bye!